Most small contractors pick software based on promises, not real workflow. Then they end up with tools that feel too complicated or too limited for daily field work. That is why FieldPulse gets so much attention, but also so many questions. In this video, you will get a clear, practical review of FieldPulse in 2026. You will see what it actually does well, where it struggles, and whether it is truly a good fit for small contractors like plumbers, electricians, HVAC techs, and handyman businesses. By the end, you will know if it is worth your time and money. Let's start with what FieldPulse is built for. FieldPulse is a field service management platform designed to help contractors manage jobs, customers, scheduling, and invoicing in one place. It is aimed at small to mid-sized service businesses that want to move away from paper, spreadsheets, or basic apps. Now here's the first big strength: job management and scheduling. FieldPulse allows you to create jobs, assign technicians, and track progress in real time. So imagine Alex, who runs a small electrical contracting business with 5 technicians. Instead of texting updates all day, he can see every job status from one dashboard. But here's the problem. While it is powerful, the interface can feel a bit dense at first. If you are completely new to field service software, there is a learning curve before everything feels natural. Now, let's talk about customer management. FieldPulse lets you store customer history, job notes, and communication logs in one place. This is useful when you want to quickly check what was done for a customer like Jake's HVAC repair job last month without digging through emails or messages. Now here's where it gets interesting. FieldPulse also includes quoting and invoicing tools. You can send estimates, get approvals, and turn them into invoices without switching systems. This helps reduce delays between job completion and payment. Another useful feature is mobile access. Field technicians can update job status, upload photos, and communicate from the field. This is important for contractors who are always on the move and need real-time updates. However, while FieldPulse is feature-rich, it may not feel as simple as lighter tools. Some users report that setup and customization take time, especially if you want everything tailored to your workflow. So is it good for small contractors? If you are a small contractor who wants an all-in-one system with scheduling, invoicing, and customer tracking, FieldPulse is a strong option. It is especially useful if you are growing and need more structure in your operations. But if you are just starting out or want something extremely simple with minimal setup, it might feel slightly heavier than necessary. The real takeaway is this: FieldPulse is not just about managing jobs. It is about organizing your entire service business in one system. That power is valuable, but only if you are ready to use it properly. To summarize, FieldPulse in 2026 is a capable all-in-one platform for small contractors, especially those ready to move beyond basic tools and build more structured operations. If this review helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what software you are currently using in your business. It helps other contractors make better choices too.